Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you are waiting for this impatiently. Well, it's rolling out with the update of Moment 4, so you might have it now, you might have it only in a few weeks, but it's going to be there soon. And it's the ability to remove the fact that all icons in the taskbar are combined when you have multiple windows open. So if you open one window and you actually open another instance of a software, what you get is actually combined in the same icon. If you hover over it, you see as many windows that you have open of that app. Now, if you right click in your taskbar settings, one of the things that you'll see in the taskbar behavior is the fact that you can now combine taskbar buttons and hide labels always or never. And look at that. Now I've got two of the edge that I opened. They're each separated, just like in the good old days when you would open windows and windows and windows of different apps, and you'd see them all get one next to each other and the taskbar taking some space. So some people like that and want that, and that's where it is. So once again, if you want to change that, simply go into your settings by right-clicking the taskbar where there's no icons, going into taskbar settings and making sure that in the taskbar behaviors that you go, and in combined taskbar buttons and hide labels, you choose the option that you want. Here we go. So there's another option, of course, that says when the taskbar is full, which means that you can actually have them expand, and if the taskbar gets full, then they'll be back into combined like they were before in Windows 11. So it's a simple thing, but it's a thing that was missing from the taskbar in Windows 11 since it was released. And I've had quite a few people ask me about, well, is this update giving me this new option now? Because I want to have the ability to not combine the icons, the different windows in the same icon. I want them to be laid out in the taskbar. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.